Thank you for tuning in into this YouTube channel. This is the all-new 2022 Outlander, and this is the hood emblem for it. So the hood emblem is one of the most popular accessories on the brand new Outlander, and I think that's the accessory that makes the biggest difference. So it goes on right here, gets glued on, and we'll have a look today how you can install it yourself, or of course if you want to, you can always bring the vehicle to a certified Mitsubishi store shop and they'll install it for you. But in this video we'll have a look if you want to do it yourself, how it's done, what's in the box, what are the steps that you need to take for that hood emblem to be installed. Okay, so this is how it gets shipped to the dealerships, these Outlander hood emblems. It's a genuine part from Mitsubishi Motors. I highly recommend that you use only genuine parts. Basically get them through your local parts department. Let's open the box, see what's inside. We have the instruction here on how to apply it, but we'll do the step-by-step instruction in this video. So it comes in like this, folded in 3 pieces like that. We're gonna open them up and we'll see what's inside, how it looks. Okay, there we go. And it's of course chrome lettering. So I chose chrome lettering for this one because we're dealing obviously with a black car. I think the chrome would stand out very well. So we'll go like this. Okay, so it'll match really well with the with chrome elements on the front of the grille. You can also do the black, I guess, then it's gonna kind of like, you know, blend in the hood a little bit more, but I went with chrome this time around. Now there's a couple of things we need to make sure that are done properly before we glue them on. So now let's have a look at the proper steps to take. Okay, let's rock and roll here. So like we just discussed, there's a couple of things we need to do. So number one, we need to clip these together like this, so they go in a nice and smooth lettering like that. And then you notice how there is this carved out part in this middle badge element. So we just basically need to line up with this diamond logo of Mitsubishi, and that's about it. And then we need to make sure that the rest of the lettering is in line with everything else. So you can line it up here, and then there's this like hood part here that easily lines up like that. So now one important thing to have, I prepped right here, it's masking tape. So what we want to do is once we align this like that, so we just make sure the middle one is perfect, and we add this masking tape right here, so that way it sticks in its place. And then we line up this part now. Okay, should make sure everything is nice level. Then we add it right here and right here, and then the last part. So again, we add everything here, make sure everything's lined up. Okay, so far so good. Excellent. So this is how it looks now. We have everything lined up here in the center with the diamond, 3 diamonds, Mitsubishi logo right here. Easy to see, easy to understand. We line things up with the hood. Again, this white shape here is shaped alongside with the hood, so you can't really mess it up if you just take it nice and easy and pay attention and have a look at that. Now the last thing what we need to do is remove the glue from this side here, from the back side of it. And basically once we have that, we just stick it on and it'll stick to the hood, right? So let's do it. We'll start with this. Okay, so we remove it like this, and this is basically a double-sided tape. Okay, very careful. Now we need to make sure it goes in the same place where we want it to align. So we click this one in here. We make sure everything still aligns with the hood. Okay, excellent. So we press and hold real good. Now, like I mentioned before, it's important that we degrease the hood part so there's no dirt, no stains, no nothing. Okay, so I think we got this one down. Let's move on to the metal section. And again, do the same thing, flip it up, remove this part right here. Very careful and gentle. Slide it back in with these clips. It's like a puzzle piece, so same thing essentially. And we stick it on. We go like this. Now here, this part, it's another protective film to make sure we don't scratch the Outlander lettering, and we can put it on properly. And now this is the last part. Same thing. We remove this plastic cover. Put it in its place where it has to be. Okay. We stick it on. Make sure it's glued on properly. Okay, and now what we can do is quite easy. We just remove the masking tape, and we will also remove the protective film so our hood emblem can shine properly. All right, that's done. Okay, let's remove that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Very nice lettering. No fingerprints, no stains. And now the last part, let's remove this. Wow, it looks excellent. And let's have a closer look at our achievements today. So we can see how it turned out. Really nice Outlander. Chrome detail matches really well together with dynamic shield, chrome elements around the LED running lights and everything else. It really finishes the vehicle really nice. Without it, it's a little bit bare. Something is missing, I think, but like this Outlander hood emblem, it makes all the difference on it, all the difference. Very happy how it turned out.